back.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. You finalize drops for PGS, or is that top secret?
Not really secret. We are going San Martin,
Okay.
Shelter, Airport,
Nice. Is there a shipyard?
and Jalton.
Top 10. Nice.
Is there a shipyard team? Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
probably every time.
Got it.
Every plane path. Hopefully there's not a team West Airport. That's annoying. When someone like tries to shit loot next to you.
There's also a North
Oh,
Airport.
like-
Split sometimes.
Yeah, I mean, all depends on plane usually.
Yeah.
Like 2 or 3 teams.
Oh, tripled up.
Is there guys on green?
Got out.
Hey, one outside yellow. Two in yellow. One's lit.
Yeah. On W.
On my stairs. Fuck, I was reloading. He can't flush me.
Huh?
Nice.
Chameleon.
I'm going for res. Fuck it.
I don't have any meds.
Well, it's another your lucky day. I have
Speaking
none.
now. From stairs.
More stairs, Ash. We need you.
Shit. Yeah.
Baiting them.
I'm going back up. I'm gonna peek it from the top.
Nitty was good. I'm healing right. I have no hit. And we got heals.
Dude, where
Take
is
it on the
he?
rock. Take it on the rock.
Where?
Dead.
Nice. Okay. I have one for Steve.
Thank you.
They just finished fighting.
He needs first aid. I have to.
I could use one. Thank you.
EMT here.
I'm gonna push while they're probably.
They finished fighting Caribou. I'm boosting up. It'll be a second.
They're in the building now. Green mark.
Yeah.
Okay,
Two on the
west.
right side.
One's One's left.
Knock one.
Nice.
Oh man.
Knock one right.
Nice.
Pushing up on the right
Oh
one.
my gosh. I made a mistake. Safe though.
I probably need you not.
They're gonna res in the
I'm
right.
taking an
and
angle.
drop one in the left.
You crossed on the left, I think.
I lit one in yellow.
Creeping up on him. Okay.
I'm watching.
I'm creeping on.
One peeking behind Caribou. They res. They're 3. Probably 3.
Multiple. Left side. 3 guys left side. In that.
Nading
Creeping
in.
on him.
I can
Resin.
try to pull up. I'm pulling up and I'm gonna flash.
I'm behind him now.
Oh.
One's outside lit.
They have 2 months by the way.
One more.
Push Ash. One inside.
One cross left.
Inside
Offer
her.
Smoke. Can you?
Two on me.
A knock inside.
Last on me.
Just res it. And have the advantage.
Yeah.
Stick.
You motherfucker.
Is he resing
I
yet?
was cooking your ass though.
There's a
was
first aid
cooking
on
your
yellow,
ass.
Yashi, if you want to just push. On the way.
You think he's inside?
He's not back. Could be in the
There is.
right.
Left or right.
Outside wall. One.
Multiple on my side.
Only one up.
Chain's body.
One up.
There was
Up
one.
left.
Corner over here. Blue
No,
mark.
right on Yoshi, on Yoshi.
I'm gonna flash him. He's moving left.
Yeah, he's under. Directly under me.
You
Shit.
guys have a minute to res.
Drop the barrel here if you want it. You got his chip?
Yeah.
Six X here.
To the wrist. In case there's some kind of weirdos.
Not the weirdos.
You never know. Shane, did you watch any of the new Black Mirror?
I haven't yet. I didn't realize it was out yet.
It's not that good.
Oh, it's not that good. Well, did you guys
No.
watch the USS McAllister one?
Yeah,
so
we
you
just watched
Was
that one.
that one good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Probably the better of all the episodes.
That's interesting. I thought me and Bean looked at all like the titles of the episodes and we're like, they seem pretty interesting. But you're saying they weren't that good.
There was definitely better seasons of Black Mirror, I'll put it that way.
I think
Yeah.
the concepts could be good, but the execution was not there.
Got it. Yeah, we'll still probably give it a try.
Yeah, you should
We
still
watched Last of Us last night.
Oh, we need to watch that.
It's the second episode.
Yo, what up, Ozzy? How's your stream? There's a 2-seater on yellow. You want to use that later? Or just leave the secret room. I can give you meds.
Yeah, I'm down. Oh yeah, true. We got a key. Wait, do we have a key? Did I hallucinate that?
No, I just think you'll get looted.
Alright.
Everything you need is gonna be in there.
True.
Isn't there bots too?
I don't think there's pauses
Not
either.
on the
Oh.
secret, no.
In my car. Oh yeah, everything you need's here. You're good. AK M16 gamer.
I am.
Backpack behind you. Oh, there's a mini.
Here's
Look at this. You're huge.
Here's extended mode.
I'm cooking.
Oh my god.
You weren't lying.
I'm getting the glider. We're gonna need cover. We're taking off. You wanna fly or shoot, Ash? You
Doesn't
feeling?
matter.
That's only 30 up. You can fly it around. We had like a 30 kill game or more in Milta. We literally killed like 30 people in Milta and then died on Millie. Then we just had a big Vikendi win. Car behind us? That's y'all. The fuck?
Done.
Parachute south 200, Shane. Here.
Alright, I heard.
Yeah, we went in Hassan.
That's in the city though.
Rest station. Is being
We'll
used.
just follow them. We'll just follow the gun shit. They'll find us something.
We found you some crates.
The crate plane, it just
Yeah, they're on yellow.
we can like cover you.
Oh, I'm getting shot.
By yourself?
They're mad, guys.
These crates are going to be contested by a Tesla on Yellow Ash. And a guy on foot on my mark. We need to kill his foot guy. The Tesla's going to be on the road under us. Guy running the street on yellow. And a new Tesla picking him up. He's
They're on
smoking out of my
the
mark.
rock on orange.
I'm shooting this. I'm harassing yellow guy. One in yellow smoke tagged.
I'm just gonna seat swap, I guess.
One on orange.
Orange
rock.
guy's hurt. Yeah, seat swap orange guy. He's healing right now. He's hurt. He's driving away. He's lit in that Tesla.
Still one on orange rock. Oh, he's driving.
Yeah, the Tesla's lit, guys. And there's one in the smoke.
There's a guy still at the compound at the brick.
Not
One
smoking,
more
I'm
in
Ooh, I
smoke.
got headshot.
Ned in smoke ash.
I got headshot.
Careful, Ned going to smoke ashy.
Yeah, I'm nading.
Nice. Alright, compound's last two. Compound got 1 HP. In the brick. They're both hurt. Bottom floor, both of them. You can aggro.
We're talking about the east one or north
Yeah,
one?
yeah,
Yellow, yeah.
yellow mark.
Yeah, east one. Yeah, I heard it. Pulling up.
Just
Oh, yeah.
hit the stairs or
He's picking
something.
he's picking the window right now.
I can't see well. They're bottom.
He's gonna go to the left window now.
Both
Sorry, I
bottom
have
still.
to bandage right
Left
now.
window, one up.
Nice. Go
Crates
loot
for
them
you guys.
crates.
That's what I'm doing.
I'm staying here.
No worries.
Should we land?
Hey,
Oh, there's
yo.
guys on the
Hey,
hill.
yo. Still has some team.
Hey,
No eyes.
I know, sorry. I didn't expect that.
Oh, they're all on yellow rock.
Yeah,
One's
full-
hurt. Can't shoot
They're all in
backwards.
yellow rock.
They're both tagged. You probably res.
Are you
Yeah.
saveable? Are you saveable, Yoshi?
Yeah, they're
Can you
crashing
smoke
them
him?
probably.
But it's savable.
They haven't hit
Oh yeah,
yet.
they are they're crashing.
Turn right, Ash, so we can actually
Yeah,
fight.
I mean,
Don't worry about watching. Just drive.
I
I'll
mean,
watch.
They haven't crashed yet, as far as I know.
They did by the blue roof. Single.
Only one guy crashed. You can res if you have
Yeah.
smoke. He's on yellow wall and he's tagged. I think you definitely res if you have smoke.
Yeah, fuck. I might be a little late. I trolled
He's
that.
dead.
No. It's only one guy that crashed. His team's still fire.
I trolled, goddammit.
Yeah, Ash made you think they all crashed. So no, it's only one. They're in the street. One in the wide open street, 1 HP.
See?
And he's running to the.
Knocked
Okay.
the guy, knocked
In
the
your
guy.
house on yellow, tagged.
Oh, I'm
I knocked
I'm
the house guy
headshot.
too.
Maybe one more house? I don't know.
Yeah.
Unless you...
Just take it moment by moment.
I
Street
don't
side,
s-
east side, east
Oh,
side.
yeah, he's in the street, Ash. He's lit. We're gonna shot by a
People
different
under
team.
us.
The street guy's 1 HP.
I lied. Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Oh, that's res. Good flying, Ash. 3 guys on yellow, 4 guys. Maybe stay away from these guys.
Yeah, I need to go somewhere to.
You need a
heal.
helmet.
Yeah, I know.
Let's go land center. Shane can meet us. There's a respawn on yellow, Shane, if you can make it there.
Yeah.
Do what I gotta do.
Oh my god. Oh my god,
Oh
farming.
my god. You want to go back?
Wait, you're
I don't have
done?
any ammo to
Can I flush it
flush.
for you? Can I flush it?
I mean,
Where?
no, it's 4 man on yellow. I'd stay away. Come res on my
Okay.
mark. Is yellow looks free, Ash. We could. No, there's people there.
There's people.
There was an MG3 at the crate.
Just get
There's
out of
people on
here.
this-
Wait,
There's
that's
people
not-
on
Go,
this
go to
side.
new yellow, Ash. New yellow's
Yeah,
good.
I am. I am.
I'll bet you guys in a second. I need this MG3. Yeah.
We can jump right here, but just go over the destination on yellow.
Okay.
People watching you 105 on the top of the hill, Shane.
105.
105, 105.
205? Wait.
Yeah, yeah. Straight ahead, on your left a little bit.
I need 5s,
Oh, yeah,
Ash.
Southwest,
That's
southwest.
205. 205. 205.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, full team on yellow, Shane. This is the guy.
Should
I
be-
knocked them
You pick
earlier.
up.
We're good. Shane just needs to drive to school and res, and then we're good. Zero reload. Have some now. They drove off the hill.
Good, this swamp res is fast.
You go present at this point, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to get ratted.
You have 5 smash? Before we get
Not
crash?
much, but
Give me some. I have
I
0.
don't have
0 bullets.
half
Thank
of
you.
it. And I'm double 5s. I might have to just switch to an AK.
Go loot the gas station. It's usually really good. These guys finished fighting. Yellow,
There's
it's at
people on
least
the hill.
3.
I cannot loot the gas station. There's like 3 guys on the shed. Like one's inside. It's not. But
Oh, now
there's
you-
2 on the back of it.
Now you can loot it. Oh, you're beaming. Give me a util. We can pull up a nade.
Yeah, I have you too.
We don't have a
But
car.
I don't know if we have a car. Yeah. Taking 30. No.
I'm gonna drop you some ammo right here. I put an e-pick up on the far compound. Kind of going for this car in blue. They're running off the rock. All 4 of them have ran
Does
away.
knee pick up?
I'll pick you up, Ash.
Does knee pick up like south somewhere? Do you guys see it?
Yeah, it's
Is it far? I'm not driving into it right now.
it's like right above us, but
Oh, okay, yeah, yeah.
Can you pick Ash up,
standing on
Shane?
it.
It's
Yeah,
a
I
4-man
can.
on yellow we can kill.
Okay.
Yeah, Ashley
we
should
can
loot on y'all too.
There's a guy in the shack.
Yeah, it's a 4-man. They all ran
Thank you,
uphill.
guys. Anything to loot over here?
No, you should loot the
Ash needs 5,
houses.
Shane.
Oh well. Too late.
Yeah,
now.
I
I
need
can give you
that
some.
one.
Here you go,
Just
40.
like 30. Yeah.
40 done.
Good.
I'm gonna start running up. I'll leave you guys the car. You pick up and just went straight up and straight down.
Yeah, it's
They're, like,
landing in the
flying-
big compound. There's already a team. Yeah, they're fighting. I have a really good angle here.
Yeah. Nice. Thank you.
There's a team south of me we can kill in yellow, and a
No,
team on my
fair.
waypoint.
Sweep the edge.
You got my wheel, that bastard. Actually, the place to go back west. Just because, yeah, there's. I know, I'm missing a wheel. I think we'll
there's
die.
more, but okay.
No, they flew the e-pickup team. We should have space.
Yeah, you pick up team, I think just went into green. There should be 2 teams in green compound.
Yellow looks kind of juicy. Is that free? Let me look at it.
Looking at it? I'm looking. Yeah, it looks good. One speaking.
People there.
Maybe one shot from green, actually. I just heard a
Yeah,
shot.
yeah. We can always
Yeah,
go
there's
coast.
people.
We want to fight.
There's people
One got
coast.
coast, yeah.
Yeah, see,
Hey, right here, blue
I think
mark.
it's
I'm
zero.
down
Yeah,
to fight him.
Okay. One guy house. One guy
Yeah, they
coast.
just pull up here. It's perfect right here. Gotta push right, guys. Oh, lucky.
I flew out of the house. I mean car. Holy shit. Just went flying.
That car's about to kill you, Ash.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Stumped
peek.
it. I have a knock on my right.
I knocked house. You got tracker.
Go to the house.
One's on my wall in yellow.
Over here.
Knocked him.
Nice, dude. You're a beast.
Try to flush that to
I
Gilly.
needed that.
Yeah.
Careful.
Pushing right.
They're dead. He has an
Other
MG3
people
if you want it.
coast.
I'm gonna go house.
I have MG already.
People on an orange rock.
Nice tag.
Yeah, we gotta go towards orange. You guys want to start working that now?
Just running at these motherfuckers. Wrap the whole
One's
coast.
left of orange. They're just like tucked on the coast.
Yeah, I'm gonna get pitted.
How many have you seen?
I've only seen 2 on the coast. Maybe 3.
Compound
Tires
still
popped the same
fighting.
time. All the tires popped on this.
Still peeking up orange. Still peeking on orange.
Oops. Hang on, let me do that.
Knocked yellow.
Nice.
Green, I mean.
On them.
Peeking
I'm gonna
blue,
hold
blue,
compound.
blue. It might be a three-man. Red.
Knocked blue.
Yeah.
Just three-man. Bombing their shit. Might be a four-man. I see another one peeking.
Okay, one's peeking a rock right now.
Yeah, res drop. One guy's tagged.
I'm throwing a nade past you.
Hold up.
One is running in the
Ow.
open field over here. Right to left.
One's in the warehouse. On the...
Good. These guys are.
They are
Went
fucked.
to
It's
him,
just a duo.
Oh, yeah, it's just two.
Drive by pan the last guy.
Yeah. One out. One out. Jenks.
Oh.
It's a solo view.
Jenks about to get
The
spanked.
drive by pan. Yo, what up,
Got three
Gustavo?
stuns as well. Come on, Jenks. Don't make it harder than
He's
yourself.
gonna get-
Come on out.
I'm flashing him and I'm paying him.
Come on out.
He's in the car. I popped a tire. It can't drive that well, but
I'm pitting him.
Pit maneuver.
Flash out.
I'm flashing him. We have 0 hits on this man, by the way. 0 hits.
He is blind on the rock. He is
I
subdued.
stunned you. I stunned you. I stunned you.
He's headshot. Take him out. We're going back for the punch. Taken down.